Tofu sees watermelon. Go, Tofu. No? There we go. Tofu's got the watermelon. Gosh, this turtle is fast. Tofu, you dropped your watermelon. You dropped your watermelon, baby. Come here. Okay. Tofu has watermelon in Tofu's mouth. Sniffing the ground. Why are you sniffing the ground, Tofu? Look, here's watermelon. Come get the watermelon. You can have it. Sniffing the watermelon, aren't you? Okay, you're too fast. Ow. Ow. Tofu has a piece of watermelon in Tofu's mouth, don't you? Yeah. Where are you going? Tofu? Come back here. You're like, no, it's my watermelon. Can't have it. Yup. Uh-oh, you dropped your watermelon, Tofu. 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 No? Tofu. Come here, Tofu. Here's your watermelon. There you go. There you go, Tofu. Where are you calling to?
Gì vậy con? Gì mà sợ vậy?
I'm not gonna take it from you, Tofu. Go enjoy it. Just come here and look at the camera. Oops, you dropped your watermelon. Here. You want it? Come here. No? Okay.